How to track your Shein order. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Shein or head over to any of the web browser and move into the official website of Shein. After that, enter your login credentials and log in into your specific account. Once logged in, it will land you on this page. Right here you can see all the processing of order options. Click on View All. You can see the option of unpaid, processing, shipped, review, and return or refund. If your order is still unpaid, then it will be available to you in this page, or if it's processing, then it will be available to you in this page. Likewise, wherever your order is, it will be categorized automatically, and then you will be able to track your order easily. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.